Here we are at the official unboxing of the Swivl M2 device for Chimacum Elementary School. I wrote and got 2 grants, one from the Chimacum Arts and Crafts Fair and one from Friends of Chimacum, the Robert Rowe Technology Fund, and they were gracious enough to give us enough money to purchase one for our building that a few of the 11 teachers and our staff are going to pilot next year. So here's the unboxing. We got some of this. And there's what it looks like, M2, straight out of the box. Do I do it this way? Let's walk it out. Oh yeah, here comes our Swivl M2 co-teaching assistant. We're gonna have to come up with a name for this puppy. We are the Chimacum Eagles here at Chimacum Elementary, grades 2 through 6. Ooh, desiccant, do not eat. All right, let's put this. Boom, unveiling. Yeah, there's our new baby with the microphone in the back, all ready to go. And ooh, it's got a USB-C port and press start to turn it on. Shall we try? Oh yeah, I love doing that. Haha. Let's see. Power. Here's the other one. Oh, and look at that. Woohoo! Yeah. Does it have juice? Maybe not. Rats. Right, we will have to charge our M2. I like the purple strip at the top. That's new. I had a demo that I got to demo most of this year, so I've been missing where my M2 demo used to be. Now I got this one. So I'll power it up and we'll test it, probably next week. And then we'll start a calendar to see who's gonna be first, second, and third to try out our new Chimacum Elementary M2.